Good evening, friends. Today we'll study about the crop classification, the taxonomic classification of the crops, plant families, and the crops that are included in it. Kindly do like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such videos and agricultural contents. Before we start the detailed explanation of the individual crops, let's have a quick glance on the plant families. Plant family include genetically related plants with similar blooms, reproductive mechanism and other traits. Similar plant family have similar growth habitat and nutritional need. Some of the common plant families in our discussion includes Gramineae, Leguminosae, Cruciferae, Cucurbitaceae, Malvaceae, Solanaceae, Tiliaceae, Asteraceae, Chenopodiaceae, Pedaliaceae, Euphorbiaceae, Aliaceae. Now let's have a brief discussion about the family, their example and characteristic feature. The first family is Gramineae or grass family. It is also known as Poaceae. The common examples of this family include cereal, sugarcane, napier, paragrass, wheat, durum wheat, spelt wheat, titricle, barley, bajra, sorghum, corn, finger millet, foxtail millet, Japanese millet, proso millet, rye. Some of the characteristic features are inflorescence is terminal panicle and axillary spikelet. Stamen and ovary are hidden inside the bracts called lemma and palea. Stigma are feathery and the fruit is caryopsis. Now moving on to the next family, that is Solanaceae. The other name is nightshades and it is also known as brinjal family. The common example of Solanaceae family are brinjal, potato, tomato, tobacco and chili. The Indian tobacco has two cultivated species, both are tetraploid, namely Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. The nicotine is produced in the roots and is carried through the stem to the leaves where it is stored. Potato is also known as king of vegetables. Tomato is known as wolf apple. Brinjal is also known as eggplant. Chili or capsicum species. The pungency of chili is due to capsaicin. Now let's move on to the next family, Brassicaceae. The other name is Cruciferae or mustard family. The common examples of Cruciferae family includes mustard, radish, cabbage, cauliflower, nolkol. Rajasthan is the leading producer of rapeseed mustard. The oil content in mustard is about 37 to 49%. Pungency in mustard is due to isothiocyanates. The cole crops belongs to the family Cruciferae. All the cole crops are protogyny and are highly cross-pollinated. The fruit type of cole crop is Siliqua. The major pest that infect the cole crops is diamondback moth. Now moving on to the next family in the row, that is Cucurbitaceae family. The common vegetables included in this family are cucumber, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, snake gourd, pointed gourd, round melons, watermelons, ash gourd, musk melon, long melon, ridge gourd, sponge gourd, pumpkin, summer squash, winter squash. The bitterness in cucurbits is due to the presence of cucurbitaceae, that is tetracyclic triterpenes. Characteristic features of Cucurbitaceae family involves plants are tendril climber, one tendril per node, flower is incomplete, thalamus is cup shaped, fruit type is pepo, and the placentation is parietal. Next family is Malvaceae or cotton family. The common examples are cotton, bhindi, roselles. Cotton is also known as white gold or king of appraisal fiber. Cotton is the leading fiber crop of the world. Moving on to okra. Okra is basically a warm season crop, and India is the largest producer exporter of okra in the world. The fruit type of okra is capsule. Next family is Euphorbiaceae that involves castor tapioca. Castor Ricinus communis. Its seed contain 48 to 56% of industrial oil rich in triglycerides, mainly ricinoline. Origin of castor is Ethiopia and East Africa. 2n is 20. The cross incompatibility occurs in castor. Long day plant but adapted to wide range of day length. Next family in the row involves Leguminaceae or Papilionaceae family. It is also known as pea family. Some common examples of kharif pulses involves pigeon pea, green gram, black gram, cowpea, horse gram and moth bean. Examples of rabi pulses are chickpea, which is also known as king of pulses, field pea, lentil, lathyrus, French bean or kidney bean, black gram, horse gram. Seed legume are the second most important cultivated crops after cereals. Features of legumes are seed is produced in pod, hard and large seed coat, nitrogen fixation by the roots. In India, chickpea occupies highest area and production among the pulses, followed by pigeon pea and green gram. Next family is Umbelliferae or Apiaceae family. It involves coriander, cumin, carrot. The characteristic feature of the family is the plants are mostly herbaceous, inflorescence is umbel, fruit is schizocarp, the plants are aromatic. Next crop that is carrot, Dacus carota. Orange color in carrot is due to carotene. The red color in carrot is due to anthocyanin. Family Dioscoriaceae involves greater yam, lesser yam and white yam. Next is Tiliaceae family that includes jute and falsa. The scientific name of jute is Quercus species. It is the most important commercial bast fiber or phloem fiber crop in India. West Bengal accounts for nearly 70% of India's jute area and 75% of jute production. It is an important fiber crop next to cotton. Moving on to Compositae or Asteraceae family with common examples sunflower, safflower and Niger. The characteristic features are leaf has reticulate venation, polypetalous calyx, inflorescence is raceme, placentation is parietal and fruit is siliqua. Sunflower Helianthus annus. Sunflower is the fourth most important oilseed crop after soybean, rapeseed and groundnut in India as well as the world. Seed multiplication ratio of sunflower is more than 100. Oil in the kernel is 48 to 53%. Oil in seed is 28 to 35%. The basic chromosome number is 17 and sunflower exhibit character of heliotropism. Niger is cultivated in Ethiopia and India. Germination is epigeal, fruit is achene, cross-pollinated crop by the insect. The flowers are of two types, disc and ray floret. It is a short day plant. family Eliaceae or Amylidaceae. The pungency in onion is due to allyl propyl disulfide. Odor of garlic is due to diallyl disulfide. The uninjured bulb of garlic contains an antibacterial amino acid called as allicin that is water soluble. Next family is Gingerberaceae. Examples are ginger and turmeric. Family Chenopodiaceae includes spinach, beet, and sugar beet. The last family for today's discussion is Pedaliaceae. The crop included in it is Sesamum indicum. Sesamum is also called as queen of oil seed. India ranked first in sesamum production in the world. Origin is India and the fruit is capsule. So we have reached the end of the session and this was all from my side for today's session. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.